Okay, we're back and we're going to do another experiment. What is it for?
It is a balloon experiment.
Inflating balloon. Yeah. All right, so we have the bottle. We've got the vinegar.
This one.
We have this one with this one.
Yeah.
Okay, which balloon? What color balloon would you like to use?
Yellow.
Yellow?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, red. We're going to use red later.
Okay, so we'll use the red one later. So now we have the balloon.
I like
the
yellow.
Okay.
You like the yellow?
So what I need to do is put some bicarbonate soda into the balloon.
Why? This is a vinegar.
Because it's going to react.
So, always, if you can always copy us in all of these channels or videos, then you can do that because we don't really mind, and
it makes it easier.
Yeah, makes it easier. So then, if you don't know what kind of experiment you want to do, you can copy us.
Okay, baby, you can help me.
And this is a little different kind of vinegar. It doesn't matter if you don't need the same vinegar. It doesn't matter if you have different kind of vinegar at home because it doesn't have to be the same like ours. You have to put some
Okay, baby. Let's put it in.
You don't need to use a stick like
It's nice and white and powdery, isn't it? Nice and white and powdery. Just be careful you don't get it everywhere.
And also, you don't need to use the same stick, right?
Correct.
You can just use a different stick if you have it at home.
And it is going in.
Like a light kind of thin stick like ours. They're not the same. If you want to do the same stick, then you can.
I think I'm getting quite a good amount in here.
Yeah, but you're kind of messing it up, Mommy.
Okay, this is the last bit.
Really?
So roughly around 5 grams. 3 to 5 grams of bicarbonate soda.
How do we put the balloon on the bottle?
Right, that's the tricky bit now. We are going to come to that in a minute. Oops, Arik.
Oops, sorry.
It's okay, Arik.
Cap on. I don't really.
Okay, and I think we're done.
Okay, I'm going to hold this.
We got it all in there.
Okay, me too. We might need to all move a little back.
Okay, so first of all, I need to keep this aside. Don't put this in.
Yep.
First of all, I need to cover the bottle.
Yeah, that is the very biggest part you need to do.
Whoa!
It broke.
Oh no!
But then.
Oh no, that is another disaster. Let me try and pull it a bit further down.
Oh no, Mommy.
Okay.
What did you do?
Okay. Okay, so now you need to be careful, guys. Now is time to see the inflatable balloon. Go for it.
Oh, okay.
Oh my god.
Oh, please.
Okay,
Oh.
it's in there.
Oh, Mommy. Look.
Okay, it's rising. Look at that. It is inflating.
Yeah, but what if it might pop?
Okay, you stay far away.
It's okay, Arik.
It's not gonna pop, Arik. It's not gonna pop. See?
Nothing is happening. It won't pop.
But it is inflating.
Yeah. Don't shake it. No.
Don't shake it. We won't shake it.
Why?
You okay with this? High five. You've been brave. Good.
It was a fly.
There's a fly. Don't worry about it. It's gone.
Oh,
But look at our inflatable balloon. Look at that. Look at our inflatable balloon. It looks amazing, doesn't it? Look at that.
Is it meant to do bubbles?
I guess so. It's meant to because reacting with the bicarbonate soda. The other kind.
Experiment soda.
The experimental white powder soda.
Oh, what will happen?
Nothing. I think that's it. That's as good as it's going to get. Yep.
Yeah.
Happy with that? Why? You wanted to see it float, didn't you?
No.
Yes.
Oh.
To make it float, we need another chemical for that. It's called helium gas. Yes, it's rising!
It's going in the balloon.
Ah, it's going in the balloon!
Oh my god, Mommy.
Oh my goodness, it's oozing out again! Are you okay? What happened to it? It popped! it? That's why.
You made a hole of
Oh! Oh my goodness! Look at that.
It looks like a snail kind of thing.
Yeah. It looks amazing though, doesn't it?
Yeah. Look at my flow.
Maybe if I had taped the balloon, it probably would have all gone into that.
Yeah, but it might bust.
Yeah, that's true. It might have burst. Oh well.
Like
We'll
it
never know.
burst now.
You want to touch it with your balloon hand, but it's nothing. It's just foamy.
Oh, it's fun.
It's just foamy.
So foamy.
It's foamy.
We have a glove on anyway, so.
Yeah, should be okay. And that's it. We're done, right? Yep.
I want to play with them more.
Okay.
No.